Hello everyone and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. I'm Danielle and we're going to go ahead and talk about this 22 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 ES with only 9,000 miles. This Mirage is in a beautiful blue color as well as has a touchscreen display with controls. So let's go ahead and hop in and check out the features. We can go ahead and take a look up on the dash, and like I said, it has 9,807 miles. Pretty low mileage. Then over to the right, you have your center screen and stereo controls. So of course you have your volume knob, as well as for your stereo, you have your regular FM and AM radio with Bluetooth audio. You're able to easily connect a phone as well as go into settings for key light, display, language, everything like that. In your radio, you have presets as well as station control, everything that you would need in a radio area. As well as, of course, you have your brightness settings for the screen. Then, of course, for safety, when in reverse, you do have a backup camera with parking assist. So you're able to check your surroundings safely and park safely. You can go ahead and put it back into park and check underneath. Right here is where your climate controls are. You have your temperature, airflow, auto, mode, everything like that. Then moving on, underneath you have charging port, as well as underneath there you have another charging port and some storage. Behind that you have your cup holders, and then of course you have your gear shift, and then you also have your parking brake. It'll let you know up on the dash when your brake is on. And then you can go ahead and easily put it back down to release it. You have one cup holder back here, and let's go ahead and check out the steering wheel. For the left hand side, you have your cruise control settings. Behind the steering wheel on the left hand side is your windshield wipers. You can go ahead and adjust the settings on that. Then for the left side, you have your menu control with your volume and radio control, as well as you have your hands-free calling and voice commands with Bluetooth audio. Over here, you have your mirror controls for both the left and right side. Then next to that, you have your traction control on and off, as well as your pre-collision alerts. You can actually adjust how close or how far you want to be for the alerts. Nice and convenient feature to keep you and those around you safe. On your door panel, you of course have your window controls, door lock, child lock, as of course your lock and unlock. Then for the interior of this Mirage, you have a gray cloth material that is super comfortable to sit in, as well as you can easily adjust the seats by manual moving them back and forth. But I think that's the gist for up here, so let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Back here, you have a cubby in the door, as well as, of course, your window controls. And then you have a middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. So either the front seat people or the back seat people can use the middle cup holder right there. And then, of course, when you have more people, you can go ahead and fold up the middle seat. You can go ahead and have 3 passengers back here. But overall, a great space and lots of legroom for being a smaller vehicle. Let's go ahead and go back up front and pop the trunk. You also have your gas release, so you can go ahead and release your gas cap for when you need to put gas in. Go ahead and close that. You can go ahead and access the trunk area. Back here you have a decent amount of cargo space, as well as you do have access to the second row seats. Underneath here you do have a tire with some tools in case of an emergency. You have a spare tire to put on. But overall, great clean space and good for just storing things. But we can go ahead and close the trunk area, and I think that's all I have for this 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage. This G4 Mirage is a beautiful small car with low mileage, as well as pre-collision alerts, safety features, and of course a radio and Bluetooth audio. Overall, that's all I have for this car, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit here in Ephrata, PA. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.